Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Children, as you all know, we have started few days back comprehension passage and we have discussed about that. Today we are going to practice on that. So let's start, children. Let's start. Eagles are birds of prey. The tawny eagle. Now children, if we will see what we have written in that, that is, eagles are birds of prey. Tawny eagles is a large bird of prey which is about 60 to 72 centimeter in length. It means here you can see the important points which we have given in this, that its length 62 to 72 centimeters its length. It means its length, its you can say the length of that particular bird, that is 60 to 72 cm in length and has a wingspan of 165 to 185 cm. Its wingspan is 165 to 185 centimeter. So here you can see the body part, or you can say the structure of these eagles. Now it usually weighs 1.6 to 2.4 kg. Now here we have discussed about the length and the weight of that particular this eagle. So children, here you can see that it usually weighs 1.6 to 2.4 kg. Like all the other eagles, it belongs to family Accipitridae. It means it belongs to the family. Here the family is also given from where it belongs to. Now we are moving to the next, that in mostly breeds in many parts of America. In mostly breeds in many parts of Africa, in many parts of Africa, both north and south of Sahara Desert, both north and south of Sahara Desert and across the tropical region from southwestern Asia to India, from southwestern Asia to India. Now here you can see the biographical sketch of an eagle, and here you can see its origin, its height, weight, everything you can find in that. So children, let's start writing more about that. So it lays 1 to 3 eggs. It lays 1 to 3 3 eggs, 1 to 3 eggs in a stick nest in a tree. In a stick nest. In a stick nest in a tree. Now here you are writing about what are the biographical activities they are doing. Now here you can see 3 eggs in a stick nest in a tree. So they can lay. Now here you can see crag or on the ground. Crag or on the ground. Okay. Now because we don't have much space, that is why I am going to erase few lines of that. So after that we will write more. Now throughout its range, it favors open dry, it favors open dry habitats like semi-desert, deserts, steppes, or savanna plains, Now here we are writing about their living, where they are living. So here you can see throughout its range, it favors open days, habitats like semi-desert, deserts, steppes and savanna plains. So they can lay their eggs and they can make their habitat over there. So now we are writing more about them. So because of that, we will erase all the thing. So now children, let's start. These eagles are large. These eagles are large with tawny upper parts, upper parts and blackish flight feathers and tails, whereas the lower back is very pale. The lower back is very pale. Now here children, we are talking about the structure of an eagle, and here we have discussed about these eagles are large with tawny upper parts and blackish flight feathers. It's having a blackish flight feathers and the tails, whereas the lower back it's pale. and after the tail, the lower part of its body, it's pale. So as we have discussed in this paragraph. Now we are moving to, when compared to the steep eagles, when compare to the steep eagle, this species, it's paler and smaller. This species is paler and taller, paler and smaller, and smaller, children, and smaller. Now here, the call of the tawny eagle, the call of a tawny eagle is a crow-like barking, is a crow-like barking. Now here, children, you can see the tone of the tawny eagle. It means crow-like barking. Here you can see, and now crow-like barking, and though it is silent bird most of the time, though it is silent bird most of the time, but most of the time it eats. Now here we are going to write about their eatings or their food. It eats largely fresh, largely fresh carrion of all kinds, It also kills small mammals, like rabbits. So because we don't have much space, mammals like rabbits, reptiles, and birds as big as a June foil. So junifoil. So these are the facts about this eagle. Now children, we are going to solve answers. Find the antonyms of given words from the above passage, and after that answer the following question. This is also we have to write, and after that we will solve some match the following groups of the words and write the complex complete sentences that we are also going to solve. So first of all children, we have done this, and eagles are birds of prey. We are talking about the eagles, tawny eagles. Main we are talking about the tawny eagles. The topic of this passage is tawny eagles, and we have discussed in this passage about its structure, their food, and how they are, their habitat, and how they are laying their eggs and where they are laying their eggs. So that we have already discussed. So children, we have to keep in our mind about their structure, about their feathers, about their height and weight, and everything whatever we have done in this paragraph. So children, let's start our question and answers. So children, first of all we will write the answers of first question. First is find antonyms. Antonyms of the given word from the passage. The first is few. Now we have to search from the passage that where the meaning of or antonyms of the few. Few means very less, and now we are going to write of this antonyms, it's many. Many we can see in the paragraph. There are so many these things are given, so few is many. Now second word is small. Small means very short. Now here we are going to write the antonyms of small is large. So large, as we have seen this word in the paragraph. Now we are moving to the next word, that is bright. Third is bright. Bright we are going to discuss about, and bright means it's so lighted, that is called bright. Its color is bright. And bright, now we are talking about pale. Pale means it's dull. So it's very dull. So that is why it is called pale. Now fourth number is noisy. Noisy is, it means it's having lot of noise. That we are going to write the opposite from the passage, that is silent. Silent. So these are the antonyms we should write in copy first, and then we will continue our next questions. So some questions are given in this paragraph. You can see that answer the following question on the basis of your readings of the given passage, that is, what is the length of the tawny eagles and how much does the wing span measure, to which family does the tawny eagles belongs, in what kind of the habitat are these eagles found, in which region do the tawny eagles mostly breed, describe the appearance of the tawny eagles and give details of the food habits of these eagles. It means we are going to discuss about, or we are going to answer these questions first. Now first question is, what is the length of the tawny eagles and how much does the wing span measure? So here we should write first question, and I hope you have done. And now we are moving to the question and answers. The first question I am going to write on the board first, that is, what is the length of, what is the length of tawny eagle? Tawny eagle, first of all we should know, and how much does the, how much does the wingspan measure? Now here we are going to write the answer first. So it is basis on our passage that we are going to write. Answer 1 is the tawny eagles. The tawny eagle is about 62 to 72 centimeter, as we have seen, in length. And its wingspan because 2 questions are there, so we should write the answer. Measures 165 to 185 centimeter. Now here we have done answers, and because this answer we should write in a very short way, don't write in a very descriptive way. So we should write very direct answer. Very direct question is there, so we should write direct answer also. So children, let's start next question. Our next question is question number 2 is, to which family does the tawny eagles belong? To which family does the tawny eagle belong? Okay, so now I'm going to write the answer. So as we have read in this paragraph, the tawny eagle belongs to the family of accipitrade. So this is the family name of tawny eagle. So you can see, children. Now we are moving to the next question. The next question is, in what kind of the habitat are these eagles found? So now I'm going to write question number 3 over here. That the question is, in what kind of habitat are these eagles found? So we are going to write. Okay children? Now we are going to write answers of that third question that you can see. Third question, now we are going to write answer. Answer is, these eagles are mostly found mostly found in open dry habitats, in open dry habitats like open like habitats, like you can write over here. So like semi-desert, like semi-desert, and desert, steppes, or savanna plains, plains. So children, you can see the place where they are habited. Now children, we are moving to the fourth question. That the question is, in what region do the tawny eagles mostly breed? So now we are going to write on the board first, children. So we should erase first answer, then we can write. Number 4 is, in which regions do the tawny eagles mostly breed? Now we have discussed about their habitat, and because of the temperature, because of the environment, they used to breed where. So that we are going to write. Now children, now we are moving to the answer number 4. Answer 4. The tawny eagles mostly breed in many parts of Africa, both north and south of Sahara, both north and south of Sahara, south of Sahara Desert, and across tropical regions, tropical region, cross tropical region, now we are moving to the more line we required. Across tropical region from southwestern Asia, southwestern Asia to India, children. So now here you can see these are the breeding areas of this tawny eagles. So children, we have discussed fourth question. 4 questions we have discussed. We have solved antonyms also. So tomorrow we will discuss more questions, and 1 question is also left. So we will discuss tomorrow. So children, practice it. Till then, bye-bye and take care.